Within the realm of software engineering, the advent of AI presents the possibility of taking over your job, raising the question, will software engineers who have expertise in AI eventually replace those who don't? In the rapidly evolving landscape of technology, the combination of artificial intelligence, AI, has become increasingly dominant, revolutionizing various industries and reshaping the way we approach problem solving. Do you have any idea about what the power of AI can do if it is used professionally? Let me tell you, there's no limit on the road to success. In the fast-paced world of software engineering, innovation is the name of the game. Picture a bustling marketplace where every company competes for attention, striving to stand out from the crowd with groundbreaking ideas and cutting-edge solutions. In this dynamic landscape, innovation isn't just a catchphrase. It's the essence that fuels progress and drives success. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way software engineers approach innovation. With its ability to crunch massive amounts of data, uncover hidden patterns, and generate insights at lightning speed, AI empowers engineers to push the boundaries of what's possible, unleashing a wave of creativity and resourcefulness. But what exactly does innovation look like in the age of AI? It's about more than just flashy gadgets and fancy features. It's about solving real-world problems in novel and unexpected ways. Imagine a healthcare app that uses AI to predict patient outcomes with unprecedented accuracy, or a virtual assistant that learns and adapts to your preferences over time. These are just a few examples of how AI is transforming the way we live, work, and interact with technology. AI is more than just a tool. It's a tool for innovation and differentiation in software engineering. By leveraging the creative power of AI, engineers can unlock new opportunities, solve complex challenges, and drive meaningful change in the world around them. As we embrace the transformative potential of AI, we embark on a journey of discovery and innovation that promises to shape the future of software engineering for years to come. In addition to driving innovation and fostering creativity, AI proficiency plays a pivotal role in enhancing the scalability and sustainability of software engineering endeavors. Imagine a bustling city where traffic flows smoothly, waste is efficiently managed, and resources are allocated with precision. AI serves as the master planner behind the scenes, orchestrating intricate systems with finesse and ensuring optimal performance at every turn. One of the most important challenges facing software engineers today is the scalability of applications in the face of exponential growth in data volume and user demand. By connecting to the power of AI-driven automation and intelligent algorithms, software engineers can design systems that adapt dynamically to changing workloads, scale seamlessly to accommodate spikes in demand, and optimize resource utilization for maximum efficiency. For example, AI-based predictive analytics can anticipate traffic patterns on a website or application and allocate computing resources accordingly, ensuring a smooth and responsive user experience even during peak usage hours. AI enables software engineers to tackle the sustainability challenges posed by large-scale, data-intensive applications. In an era where environmental consciousness is paramount, optimizing energy consumption and reducing carbon footprint are imperative considerations for software development projects. AI-powered algorithms can analyze energy usage patterns, identify inefficiencies, and recommend optimizations to minimize environmental impact without compromising performance. AI-driven automation streamlines the software development lifecycle, reducing time to market and enabling rapid iteration and experimentation. Automated testing frameworks powered by AI can identify bugs and vulnerabilities early in the development process, ensuring robustness and reliability without the need for exhaustive manual testing. This not only accelerates the pace of innovation, but also enhances the overall quality and reliability of software products. In essence, AI serves as a tool for scalability and sustainability in software engineering, empowering engineers to design resilient, future-proof systems that can adapt and evolve in the face of ever-changing demands and challenges. By embracing AI technologies and incorporating them into their toolkits, software engineers can pave the way for a more efficient, sustainable, and resilient digital future. In the ever-evolving realm of software engineering, a fascinating synergy is emerging between cutting-edge artificial intelligence, AI, technologies, and traditional foundational skills. Imagine a vibrant ecosystem where the latest AI algorithms collaborate seamlessly with time-honored principles of coding and problem-solving, creating a fusion that propels the field forward while honoring its rich legacy. One of the key strengths of traditional software engineering lies in its emphasis on fundamental principles such as algorithm design, data structures, and software architecture. These timeless concepts serve as the bedrock upon which software systems are constructed, ensuring reliability, scalability, and maintainability, qualities that are essential for the long-term success of any software project. In this regard, traditional skills act as a guiding light, providing engineers with a roadmap for navigating the complexities of software development with confidence and precision. However, traditional skills alone are not sufficient to meet the demands of an increasingly AI-driven world. This is where the transformative power of AI comes into play. By incorporating AI technologies into their toolkits, software engineers gain access to a wealth of capabilities that enhance their efficiency, productivity, and creativity. From automated code generation to intelligent debugging tools, AI empowers engineers to streamline their workflows, identify patterns in large datasets, and develop innovative solutions to complex problems. So, what do you think about the fusion of AI and traditional skills? The future of software engineering is undeniably intertwined with the rise of artificial intelligence. Software engineers who possess expertise in AI are well positioned to drive innovation, scalability, and sustainability within the field, leveraging AI technologies to develop cutting-edge solutions that meet the evolving needs of society. However, the coexistence of traditional software engineering skills alongside AI proficiency is essential for development of a complete approach to software development and ensuring the continued advancement of the discipline in the years to come. Software engineers are already using AI to design super robots which pose a different kind of threat to humanity, as you'll learn in this video about Elon Musk's super robot taking over the world.